Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to my happy kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to steam herbal chicken wings. This dish is nutritious and delicious, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes. And click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos. I upload every day for free, if you are willing. Please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. I share delicious CNY for this whole CNY. Follow my channel now so you won't miss them. Marinate chicken wings with herbal and seasoning. Then place chicken and mushroom slices into steam plate and steam for 15 minutes. Until chicken is cooked. Thanks for watching. Happy CNY.